Hello, my name is Rylan Gardner with Technical Applications in Education, and today I'm going to show you how to image edit through Screencast. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open our image editing application. You're going to go down to the left hand side and click on Images. We're then going to type in the word dog. We're going to scroll down, select an image. You want it in full HD. You're going to apply. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is go down to Effect and click on Colors. You can click on any color here. This one is more saturated. This one has more of a green tint. I'm going to click this one. You can click any. Now I want you to go down to Liquify. We're going to put the size at 300, the strength at 75%, and the density at 60. So what this is going to allow you to do is distort the image. This is good in many Photoshop applications and can be used in real-world techniques and career paths such as graphic design. So you can play around with this for a minute, and then we're going to undo it. So go down below the image and click undo until the picture returns to its normal state. Okay, next we are going to go down to Retouch. We're going to click on Sharpen/Blur. Click on Blur. Go to Size. We're going to put size at 300. Softness to 75%. And we'll put the strength at 60. So, what the blur allows is a passive way of your eyes focusing on what the instructor wants the student's eyes to focus on. So as you can see here, I'm blurring this to where what it's highlighting is the dog's face. So your eyes will automatically be drawn to the face. So you can see a more detailed reason as to why this works if you do half of the dog's face with blur. So that's what you're going to do right now. You're going to blur half of the dog's face. So as you can see the difference now between the left and right hand side, one side is much more sharper, and therefore your eyes are automatically drawn to that rather than the right side of the dog's face. So undo. Next we are going to do Cut, which is through Cutout right here on the left hand side. You're going to click the square shape, and you're going to cut out the shape of the dog's face. So what this allows is a more forced approach of bringing the audience's attention to a place where you want. So if you want to cut out a historical feature in an old picture where you don't want students' eyes getting distracted in a crowd or something of that nature. So this really helps. And then if you want to undo, you can then do that for any feature on this picture. You can do the handkerchief or even the stool if you wanted. So I want you now to go ahead and cut out a feature in this photograph. Okay, now that you're done with that, undo the image, and we're going to go up here to Add Element/Image. You're going to go down to Arrows. The arrows really allow you to force feed this. You can see this in thumbnails a lot with YouTube videos or other videos. And this is really just a way of bringing attention to a photograph, because the more attention you bring, especially in like a YouTube or even movie posters, the more attention, the more likely you are to click on it and or watch it. So we can see that in those industries. You can also do this with Draw by adding a new layer. And then I want you to click the color blue and draw an arrow. You can also draw that. You can box in things. You can sign your name if you would rather do that. So right now I want you to draw on the image anything you want, and then I want you to save it. Then you are going to click Save As, Save, and Replace if you already have one in store. And then this image will be on your laptop from this time forward and can be used in educational applications. Thank you so much. Goodbye.